Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with a Simpler Trading free video. What's today about? Today is about debate tonight. Yeah, that could affect the Apple Card, no doubt about it. On the other hand, you have the September 11th phenomena, where for years and years the markets have gone up on September 11th. So you can go back to on demand, which is the rewind function on Thinkorswim, and I'll just show you. We'll go to the S&P. And you'll see the S&P September last year. And it didn't work earlier when I tried to do it. So I had to go to the year before. But ever since, for years, it's been up. So you can go to 2020 and it was up. Like I said, it's pre-buffering on the upper left, and when there's a lot of network traffic, it doesn't work like it did first thing in the morning. But it usually has gone up on September 11th. So that's one reason you can't get that bearish. On the other hand, you have the debates tonight. So Harris has talked about raising the corporate tax rate to a point that Goldman Sachs says it would cut corporate profits 8%. So if she just really wins tonight, yeah, markets could go down even though it's September 11th. You'd also get things to go up like the First Solars of the world. If Trump wins, then you'll probably see the OIH and the XLE go up. So overall, though, this is what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is this, that the stock markets still have not filled these gaps, the S&P. On the right, though, you have the NASDAQ is still at the bottom of these gaps. So let's take it on a 4-hour. There. So the NASDAQ's down here, while the S&P is up here. To me, it means the NASDAQ's probably going to rally. So if it does and goes back to fill this gap, I'm not sure the S&P is going up. All I know is that if this on the right doesn't go up, if this is some kind of quasi-bear flag and it rolls over, then I think you see this go and fill the August 12th gap. I then think on the left, you can put the DIA, the ETF, and I think that fills this gap. That's about an 800-point sell-off. But, like I said, the big deal in here is the NASDAQ. You started to see NASDAQ stocks start to turn. So tomorrow, all things being equal, if it's a push in the debate, I think you see the markets up, and I think you'll see them being led by the laggards, the tech stocks. So the AMD, the Lam Research, the ARMS, and that's going to be the way I'm going to try to play the markets on the long side. Have a good night. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.